we're going to see what the what the function of the gonads are going to be as concerns the endocrine system. Okay. Now there are two types of gonads. Okay, in a human being. I did draw the diagram in the last video. I drew the diagram of the human being and I gave you the positions and the main types of endocrine glands which you are going to have in the body. And the last ones below, okay, were the ovaries in the male, the ovaries in the female, or the testes in the male. Alright. Now in the male, we have the testes. Alright, we have the testes, which is of course located within the scrotum. And the testes, okay, the testis is divided into lobules. The testis is divided into lobules, okay, like compartments, okay, within it. And within each lobule, you have what we call seminiferous tubules. You go to the diagram or the video on reproduction, you are going to see the explanation there. So here we are going to have the seminiferous tubules, which are very coiled tubules, okay, and that is where spermatogenesis actually takes place. Spermatogenesis takes place within these coiled seminiferous tubules, which are located within the lobules. But surrounding these cells, the seminiferous tubules, are cells that we call the Leydig cells of the intestitium. Okay, you can call them interstitial cells of the testis. So there are two names for them. You can call them interstitial cells, or you could call them Leydig cells. Now, Leydig cells are responsible for the production of testosterone, okay, which is a hormone, and the hormone which actually stimulates the testes to be able to produce these ones, alright, come from the hypothalamus, and we call them the gonadotropins. So we have the follicle stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary and the luteinizing hormone, which are being secreted into blood to act on the testes. Now, when they act on the testes, throughout all of those mechanisms, of course, follicle stimulating hormone will cause the expression of androgen binding proteins on the Sertoli cells, which will now help the testosterone, which is being secreted by the Leydig cells, okay, to now be able to bind and stimulate spermatogenesis. But here, one thing you have to know under the endocrine system is that the Leydig cells secrete testosterone, okay, or you can call it the interstitial cell of the testes, testosterone. And testosterone, of course, has many functions in the metabolism, in improving the mental capacity. Okay, it also has an effect on the secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, or I think you know that that one is found under reproduction. But the main function, of course, is the secretion of testosterone. Okay, and then for the female has the ovaries. Okay, the female has the ovaries, and the ovaries here secrete two types of hormones. You can have progesterone, and you can also have the secretion of estrogen. Okay, Okay, now estrogen helps in building the endometrium, while progesterone helps in maintaining the endometrium. That is why when there are very low levels of progesterone and estrogen, it is going to lead to the collapse or the shedding off of the endometrium, since there are no levels of estrogen and progesterone in order to maintain those linings of the endometrium. Okay, so if you want to get more about progesterone and estrogen, it is a whole class on its own, and we'll mostly explain that under reproduction. But I think I've gone throughout the endocrine system as you require, okay, in the human body, and that is it for that. We just have to know the hormones here, and then if you want to know more, you go to the lectures on reproduction, and you're going to get all of it. Okay. Then there are some juvenile hormones which help there are some hormones in the body in insects which help in the growth of the insect, and we call them juvenile hormones. So those juvenile hormones and also some that help in them attracting their partners, okay, from afar, which we call them pheromones. Okay, so that is it about the endocrine system. Thank you very much for following the lectures. If you have not been following the lecture, make sure you go and start from the beginning and get the lecture, the whole series on the endocrine system. Thank you very much and see you next time.